more.
All right, this is Lori. She is opening her new Bag Boy push cart that we bought at PGA Superstore the other weekend. She's going to take it out and we're going to assemble it for you and give you any tips and clues that we can come up with along the way here.
Wheels, umbrella holder, and here is the cart itself.
Should have at least one more wheel. Or is there only two?
There are only, it must be hidden inside of here,
Okay,
I hope.
I hope so too.
If there are only two wheels, then
We have to go back.
an issue.
Yes.
That looks like a wheel. There are 3 wheels. There.
As always, packaging is a struggle to open.
Oh. So far, so good.
So far, so good.
Okay. Instructions.
Might be in the box.
No, you just have to
Figure it out
on your own.
Okay.
We're 2 fairly intelligent people. I think we can figure it out, right?
Okay, so. All right. Okay, well here, that's your handle. So
Right.
it goes like that.
Understand.
So here's all, we gotta probably loosen these up. So we can get those off. So you can open up your cart. Make sure nothing's stuck anywhere.
Okay.
Okay. Now, if it's anything like what we saw in the store,
Hey, look at that. Whee!
there you go.
So these just pop in, right?
I believe so.
Okay, we got 2 big wheels and a little wheel.
The little wheel goes in front. The 2 big ones go in the back.
Wow, those are hot. Hot looking wheels, man.
We're not talking about the little cars that our kids used to play with.
No. Look at that. They're cool. So, slides in like so. Gotta get these going both the same way, right?
I would say the screw goes in.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I would say one has probably got a threaded hole. So take it out, look inside. Which one's got a threaded hole? Any of them?
Well, I don't know. What do you think?
Okay. Hang on. Pause this.